Senator Koko Pimentel went shopping at S&R Bonifacio Global City 8 days before being tested positive for COVID-19. The membership shopping company validated this after a post circulated online claiming Pimentel was seen shopping at its branch in Taguig City. The store has taken the necessary steps to protect its employees. And assured customers its active participation in the fight against COVID-19. Because of the incident, netizens are again up in arms against Pimentel.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.